Hey guys, it's Ruthie and Clay with Popo Backyard Farm. We got our new bathroom up. Clay's hanging up a medicine cabinet. And this is the new bathroom. And I'll give you a little quick tour so you can see. Tub looks good. Potty. And this is just an old tub. We're still working in here. Got some stuff in here because we're still working in here. So, and we have a his and hers toilet paper. And I'll tell you why.
Please tell them why.
Well, girls and guys, fluffy toilet paper has little fibers that can give you itchy butt. So
no, that's not the reason why.
That's the reason why.
The reason why is 1-ply battles 2-ply.
Yeah.
I like 2-ply. She likes 1-ply.
Yeah, he likes 2-ply. I like 1-ply because if you, the little fibers in the thicker toilet paper irritate me. They give me itchy butt. So if you use 1-ply, then you don't have that problem.
If you use 2-ply, you don't get your finger in your butt.
Not if you use a mountain of toilet paper like I do. But anyway, so that's why we have his and her toilet paper. So it's kind of funny, but we figured if we have guests over, you guys are family, you know, we can just move mine. So that's our new potty. This is our new floor. And our mirror. We got a new light up there. We're going to paint everything in the house white. We're redoing the entire house as much as we can get done. And so he's in here doing this. And so we're pretty happy. Oh yeah, it was a peach getting this door together. Believe me, we had to keep going back and forth and all that to the hardware store. So anyway, just a quick update. I hope you guys enjoy this. And remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.